7 Steps of Value Maintenance. A reduction in reactive maintenance costs. Reducing costs to restart production after a breakdown. Limiting production scrap. Costs of downtime such as missed orders and lost revenue. Customer perception/satisfaction. Improved quality of products. Reduced environmental impact. Not surprisingly, maintenance can add economic value to a business by delivering maximum availability at the lowest possible cost. To view maintenance as a value driver, senior executives must move from cost-based thinking to value-based thinking.